to tell you about them rather than about what they're doing, because, like, I don't know either. Monica is a plant biologist who works in a scientific instrumentation company by day and in a health and wellness capacity in the evening and spare time. She loves nature and animals, and her favorite activities are walking with her dog, canoeing with her husband, gardening, playing guitar, and singing with Shout Sister. And when she says that's one of her favorite things, she means singing with Shout Sister is one of her favorite things. Mary Breen is a Shout Sister addicted grandmother of three brilliant grandchildren, so she says. I mean, I believe it, but really. They send me this stuff, but I have to kind of, like, alter it. She's a reader and a member of a small sisterhood book club. And, now this is good. According to research by her brother, she is 88% Irish, 3% Finnish/Western Russian, and the rest is undetermined. Then we have Mary Lou, who is a quilter extraordinaire. Some of her sewing and quilting goes to Grandmother Connection for the Stephen Lewis Foundation and Help Lesotho. Professional, she works on falls prevention for seniors and does field work on this by falling regularly. She's also a grandmother, bragging about her wonderful grandchildren who live in Amersfoort, so if you'd like to meet them, I'm sure that could be arranged. Lori Gordon is a former motorcycle mama turned author. Her novel, The Medal, was published 3 years ago, and she's currently working on a second one. She supports 2 Syrian refugee families, and in her spare time she sleeps. Colleen Fisher, I quote, describes herself as an active and adventurous woman who enjoys spending time with friends and meeting new people. If possible, I like to have a Yangling lager in my hand most of the time. End of quotations. Okay, here's a good one. Kathy Hogan. Music has been part of her life for a long time, but it started with a piano teacher called Mr. Lovelace. And apparently this was accurate. He did not like the music she produced. But along came Jesus Christ Superstar, High School Musical. She got her big break as part of the crowd. But there's more. She learned guitar from an older man from the Netherlands, Tony Van Heest, and he taught her only Elvis Presley songs with a Dutch accent. So she still hears Die Wunder of You, I can't help falling in love with you. Tracy's coming up later, and I'm going to tell you about her at that time. So last but not least, in this massive group hiding behind stage in their secret costumes to do their secret act, is Sue. She loves nature, grandkids, who would have guessed, choir, bridge, and she sews costumes. Now, not a woman for half measures, she once made 302 water bottle covers for choir members for their water bottles, to disguise them, like, so you couldn't tell what that thing on our hips were, I don't know. Anyway, she broke a number of needles and learned some new swear words doing it. And here they are, the Sound of Sisters.